In this video, we are talking about the definition of limit. The formal definition, there is two inequality. One inequality they have is fx minus L less than epsilon. So we're going to try to change this absolute value inequality to two double inequality. So we're going to say fx minus L less than negative epsilon bigger than less than positive epsilon bigger than negative epsilon. Then both sides plus L, we have fx less than L plus epsilon bigger than L minus epsilon. So let's just try to draw this inequality on the y-axis. How does it look like? If this is L, L minus epsilon will goes down here. So this will be L minus epsilon. Go up, that will be L plus epsilon. So let's draw a different color. The green line, what does the green line means? Means the function's value must be between these two green lines. So will be inside. That's the first inequality meaning there. Let's get to the second inequality. For the x is minus a is less than delta. We change this absolute value inequality to a double inequality. We should have x minus a less than delta bigger than negative epsilon, bigger than negative delta. So both sides plus a, we should have x less than delta plus a bigger than a minus delta. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to try to draw a line. This is a, this is delta plus a, this is a minus delta. Okay, we're going to use a different color to have this interval open. So as a definition of a limit, there's two very important absolute inequality. Change that to double inequality. That will give you x-axis will give you this interval, and give you the y will give you two parallel bars. The graph must be between there. Now we combine 1 and 2 together. What means together means here 3. So we draw a one graph. First you have L, then you have L plus epsilon and L minus epsilon. Then you have the two green bars here. And then you have A here, A minus epsilon, A delta, A plus delta. So you have this open interval. How do we combine this together? That means when x is in this black interval, the graph must inside this two parallel bars. So the function must be inside this box. That's the two most important control. One is control x coordinates. Another one is control the y coordinates. So x must be between a minus delta to a plus delta. At the same time, value fx must be controlled between L minus epsilon to L plus epsilon. Okay, that's why we have the definition about the limit. Limit x goes to a, if x equals L is epsilon bigger than 0, you can find delta bigger than 0 when x minus a bigger than 0, less than delta, if x minus L or less than epsilon. So this part will be the definition for the if x at a has a limit L. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the whole picture about this. So this is a definition. How do we control fx, and how do we control a, and how do we combine the graph together? Okay, so this will be end of this video.